I'm going to demonstrate the creation of a simple browser app using geometry expressions. My app is going to calculate the altitude of a triangle with given line length. So I've sketched my triangle. I'm going to specify constraints for the lengths of the sides. I'm going to the length BC. I'm going to specify as variable A, and that variable will be an input into my app. I'm going to specify this length AC, so variable B, and the length AB to be variable C. And now I'm going to draw the altitude down from B to a point D. That's not the altitude yet, but it will be once I've constrained it to be perpendicular to the base. I'm going to make a measurement. Now it has to be a symbolic measurement. I'm going to make a measurement of the distance AD. Now, geometry expressions gives me that as an expression, but now I can export the whole thing as an app. So we go export, and what I want to do is a browser app, which is an HTML5 JavaScript app. I get to select a name for the applet. I'll call it altitude. I get to put the title. Let's put triangle altitude. I get to enter some text ahead of the app and some text after it. So ahead of the app I might say enter values for the side lengths of the triangle. Now here's my different inputs, are A, B and C, and as they're named well, I think I'll just leave those, and I've got various different options, but I'm going to choose to make those text boxes. The output has got the name Z0. That's not really what I'd like to call it. I'd like to call it altitude. And again, I've got a couple of options, but I'll use the plain text. And I press OK. And now I simply need to go to my web location. Here's my altitude.html. If I bring that up in a browser, I have it into the values of the sides of the triangle. It has picked up the values which were in the geometry expressions model. We could have changed those to make them more readable when we started, but there we go. So if I want 8, 12, 17, there's that triangle there.